Hi everyone, if you're struggling with diabetes, this episode is specifically for you. The practice of yoga is more than just about relaxing your mind and your body, especially if you're dealing and living with diabetes. Now, we do not claim that yoga cures any health ailments completely, but practicing yoga asanas may help you to regulate your blood sugar levels, which also improves circulation. Without further ado, let's get right into our asanas. Our first asana for today is Ardha Matsyendrasana, which is your half fish pose. This asana gives your internal organs a great massage and is a treat for your livers and pancreas. Now let's perform the asana right away. You're going to join me in Dandasana, and from here you're going to tuck one leg in, inhale, take your opposite arm up. You're going to hook your elbow into your knee, giving a nice twist to your body. Make sure to keep length in your spine, so with each inhalation you're standing tall, and with every exhalation you're twisting a little deeper. Hold this posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute depending on your capacity, and we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. If you've been practicing yoga for a while and you're looking to advance your practice, adding Chakrasan or wheel pose to your practice is a great idea. Chakrasan stretches the pancreas, which stimulates the release of insulin for balancing your blood sugar levels. Additionally, it helps in stretching and relaxing the spine. To get into your Chakrasan or your wheel pose, you're going to lie down on your spine. Your arms come next to your shoulders, elbows pointing up towards the ceiling. Bend your knees, come up on your feet, and from here, you're just going to push your hips up, straightening the arms as much as possible. Drop your neck completely and stay here for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on the intensity you're looking at. You can repeat Chakrasan 2 to 3 times. Make sure when you're lowering down, you tuck your chin into your chest first, lower your head down and then your hips. Since we took a back bend, remember to hug your knees into your chest, take a counter position and release the tension in your back. If Chakrasan is not in your practice, that's absolutely fine. You can try an easier modification of your bridge pose, which is your Sarvangasana. Sarvangasana is great for stretching the shoulders and also helps to tone the glutes. By practicing this asana, you will strengthen the pancreas. Blood sugar levels are also kept in check. To get into your Paschimottanasana, you're going to first sit in Dandasana. Inhale as you take your arms up, toes pointing to the ceiling, and as you exhale, you're going to fold forward. It's not about holding your toes. Wherever your arms reach, just drop your neck and relax. Place your palm on your knees, shin, ankle or foot, wherever you can reach. Let's stay here for 30 seconds to 1 minute and repeat it 2 to 3 times. You can practice it either as a static pose, staying in this posture, holding it for as long as you like, or as a dynamic pose where you inhale, arms go up, exhale, fold forward, repeating a few times. If you're struggling with diabetes, adding Surya Namaskar to your daily routine is also definitely recommended. If you are just beginning your yoga journey and struggling with diabetes, I suggest you practice under a professional who can monitor the reaction of these asanas on your body. Other than that, make sure to have a light snack to avoid hypoglycemia instead of practicing yoga on an empty stomach, which is otherwise recommended to non-diabetic practitioners. That's all for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Namaste and goodbye. I'll see you next time.